Good morning, everybody. Okay, I hope yesterday you previewing those samples and looking at the rhetorical analysis rubric was helpful. Today we're going to go over the released scores. So if you click on the sample essay released scores link, not only do you have the scores, but you also have the commentary from College Board. So for the first sample, sample X, it earned a 4. And so for row 1, it earned the thesis point, it earned a 3 out of 4, and the sophistication point, it earned a 0. So it would be in your best interest to go through and look at the specific examples from the essay in which College Board justified their scoring. Okay, sample Y was a 3 out of 6, it earned a 1, and then a 2, and then a 0. And then Z was the 6 out of 6. And then we're going to talk about this particular sample because we want to look at exactly why it earned that sophistication point, in addition to how it earned the 4 on the commentary. So you want to make sure you pay attention to exactly what strategies or what particular types of writing College Board awarded those particular points for, and see, are you doing those things in your writing consistently? Are you not? And were those some of the details that you picked up when you looked at them? So we took the sample 6 and we color coded it based off of the things we've been discussing in our class. So the thesis, the rhetorical choices, the evidence from the passage, and the commentary. So if you look at the score 6, okay, you'll notice that that thesis statement included the strategies at the beginning. You'll notice there are transitions, right? Then in green, you'll see the text, but then notice the commentary and notice the points within the commentary that the student is making. And again, they do so in a couple of different ways. They don't spend a lot of time with these large quotes. They spend more time discussing significance, use of language, why it was effective, why the choice would have been made in the first place, things of that sort. So then you go again to the second paragraph where they do the same thing. And this student did do 3 paragraphs. We've not told you that you had to, but this person did do 3 different claims and supported them with supporting evidence that was consistent. And then again, in the end, there are a lot of different pieces that go back to prove the thesis. So everything in yellow was the thesis or the claims or things that went back to support the thesis. So based off of the 6, in that particular key, you're going to go back into your document that you uploaded to Turnitin.com for this essay, and you are going to color code your entire essay. It should already be in a Google Doc, so that shouldn't be the problem. If it's not already in a Google Doc and you did it somewhere else, you can leave it there or you can copy it into a new Google document. It doesn't matter. But you do need to color code your Albright speech time writing that you uploaded prior to yesterday. And again, you'll do the same thing. Your thesis and your claims are highlighted in yellow. Then you have your rhetorical choices, your evidence, and your commentary. Don't change anything. Do it the way that you had already written it, so that way you can get some clear and authentic visual feedback as to maybe where are the parts of your essay that still need improvement. So when you submit your essay, I gave you some directions on here. Click on the Submit Assignment section, or there's like a little box. Then you'll click on the Resources tab, and from there you'll locate the Google Drive resource app, and you'll just search for your file. So make sure you've named your file something that you can easily search, and then you need to upload it tonight by 11:59. This verifies your attendance for today as me receiving a color-coded essay. And it's not long. All you have to do is color code according to the key and submit it. Tomorrow we are going to look at the essays within Turnitin.com, so that way we can start giving some peer feedback. So keep your rhetorical analysis essay document somewhere handy because you're going to use it all week long. All right, I look forward to seeing everybody on Zoom, especially 5th and 8th period, since I didn't get to see you guys yesterday. And have a great Tuesday, everybody. We'll see you soon. Take care.